right, so if you are watching this video, it's because you're trying to get 2 ideas on how you can submit your photos for the Google form that you have to do, okay? So the first thing that I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you, is I'm going to take a picture of my work. So this is my cone problem, okay? And I'm going to take a picture of it. So I'm going to pull up my camera, and I'm going to go ahead and take a picture. Now, I'm trying to show you my camera just so that you kind of see it, you get an idea of what it is that I'm doing. Okay, but all I did was take a picture, and I'm just going to go check my picture, make sure that it looks okay. Now, obviously, you are going to send a much bigger or much better quality picture than I did. This right here is just the shading that took place from, or the shade from my camera. There's a light up here, and so it just reflects down. So again, you're going to take a really nice, good quality photo. Now, there are 2 options that you have. So option number 1 is to go, and I only know how to do this with an Apple product, so I do apologize for those of you, you know, the other side, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to save this to my drive, directly to my Google Drive, okay? Now, I have multiple Google Drives. I don't know if you do, but make sure that you submit it to the one that you're filling your form out on, okay? And then I'm just going to select the folder that says Google Drive. I'm going to save it here, and I'm going to upload it. Now, I can change the name if I want. I'm just going to remember that this is 636, and I'm going to go ahead and upload, okay? So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my Google form. So here I am, I'm in my Google form, and I am trying to, here it is. So I'm trying to submit the picture of work that goes with it, the cone problem. So remember how I said it was 636? If I go to add my file, go directly to my drive, I should see it. There it is, C636. Look, you can tell I practiced just a minute ago with it, okay? So I can show you that it works. I promise, I'm not making this up. So all I have to do is click on it, and there it is. It's submitted. I can go answer all the rest of my questions that are down below, okay? Now, that's option number 1. Let me show you option number 2. So back in with my picture, okay, let me go back into my photo. The other option that I have is to email it to myself. So I'm going to go ahead and email this picture to myself. So let's go email this to LA. I'm sending it. It's sending. Again, I've done this once already just to make sure that it works and I can get there. So let me go into my email. Okay, I'm going to show you where it's at. And so here's my picture. And there it is. I can check the quality of it. I can check to make sure that it looks okay. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and download my picture. And remember how I said it was 636? So here it is. It's image 636. Again, I practiced with 635, right? So here's my 636. And I'm going to go into my Google form. So go back into my form, and I'm going to add a file. And instead of adding it from my drive, because again, this is option number 2, see how it says drag files here? So on my computer, my picture is down here. I mean, I can open it if I want. I don't have to. I can just click and drag that picture right inside there and upload it. And there you go. There's my image 636, right? And that's the picture that I have. So those are 2 options that you have to do your photos. If you come up with something better that works for you, great.